Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make mango coleslaw. First, gather your fresh ingredients to ensure a vibrant and flavorful dish. This delightful side offers a unique blend of sweet and tangy notes, making it a crowd pleaser. We will walk through each step, from preparing the produce to mixing the creamy dressing. Get ready to elevate your meal with this simple, yet impressive recipe that is sure to become a favorite. Now, let's get our ingredients ready. Begin by finely shredding 1 head of green cabbage, aiming for thin, consistent strips. Next, take 2 medium carrots and shred them using a box grater or a food processor for quick results. Finally, dice 1 ripe mango into small, uniform pieces, approximately 1/4 inch. These precise cuts ensure every bite has a balanced texture and flavor, making your coleslaw truly shine. The dressing is key to our mango coleslaw's vibrant taste. In a medium bowl, combine 1/2 cup of mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. Next, add 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar for that perfect tang. Whisk in 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of freshly ground black pepper until the mixture is completely smooth and well combined. This creamy, zesty dressing will beautifully complement the fresh produce. Now for the final steps. In a large mixing bowl, gently combine your shredded cabbage, carrots, and diced mango. Pour the zesty dressing evenly over the mixture. Using tongs or a large spoon, toss everything together until all the ingredients are thoroughly coated. Cover the bowl and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes to allow the flavors to meld. Serve chilled and enjoy this refreshing side dish. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.